recognized is truly an honor, but I must also acknowledge the compassionate service that is displayed daily in the clinics. From the warm welcome one receives from our front desk staff, Chris and Lori, to all the many doctors and clinicians, the cleaning staff, porters, our volunteers, and our director, Amanda, compassion and caring is a way of life. To be able to play a small role in the work that they have done is truly a privilege. Thank you to Providence Healthcare for celebrating our mission and values. It is the way we live them that separates us from other facilities. May we continue to incorporate them in all we do. I want to thank my family and friends who are here today to share this experience with me. It is a memory I will cherish all the days of my life. As I also thank God for the privilege of working as a nurse for 37 years, I want to share with you what I have learned. The small things one does really does matter. In fact, small things are really big in the relationships we have with our patients, co-workers, family, and friends. So be kind to one another and smile. To quote Mother Teresa, we can do no great things, only small things with great love.